Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The government is crying for help to reduce the island's food import bill, which was $902 million in 2018. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw is now calling on countries with successful strategies to share the formula with Jamaica. He was speaking today at a farmer-to-farmer conference hosted by the USAID. More from TVJ's Andrew Laidley.
The government admitting that it has not found the key to significantly lower the island's food import bill and now calling on regional partners to lend a helping hand.
In the Latin American and Caribbean region, there are many countries that are far superior in their levels of productivity and agricultural output than Jamaica. We can learn from each other. I urge you to share with us as much as you can.
At the same time, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett wants the tables to be turned, where farmers start to produce enough to export the excess.
The production patterns of agriculture in the region has to be lifted to a higher level, where we are the suppliers of what is required for consumption by the industry.
Mr. Bartlett says the fundamental flaw is that Jamaica does not produce all the consumption needs of visitors.
Although tourism has this great capacity to bring in foreign exchange, it also has an enormous capacity to use foreign exchange. Because the nature of tourism is that it is really an export that is imported. In other words, we have to buy the visitor to come here. And that's our export. What we benefit from is the consumption pattern, is what the visitor eats, drinks, wears, utilizes. And therefore we must own that. And the farmers of Jamaica are the #1 owners that we are talking about.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $133.66, the Canadian dollar $100.46. The pound closed at $172.04, while the euro is going for $148.50. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in February lost 9 cents to settle at $62.84 per barrel. To the stock market now, the JSE main index lost 2,563 points today, while the junior market index declined by 102 points. Stocks posting gains include Portland JSX, JMMB Group 7.5%, G West Corporation, Berger Paints and Blue Power Group. On the losing side, we had Jetcon Corporation, Paramount Trading, Caribbean Cream, SSL Venture Capital and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.